Hello, my dear guest. Sometimes you need to protect user from himself, and the place where you can do it is console. But the message can be unclear to him. To make it more beautiful, you can actually style your console log. Let me show you how you can do it. Let's say you want to leave a message for the user, do not share your password in console log. Let's say console log, do not share your password. And if we look into the browser, it's not very clear. Let's style it. So first, what we need to do is to add $sign and C. This will indicate that we want to style our console log. And as a second parameter, we will pass actually CSS properties. For example, let's say I want color red and I want font size like 70 pixels. Let's see. So it's much more clear for the user. And that's it. And remember to have fun in your life. Have a great day. Bye.